Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a cash stuffing video, and first and foremost, let me apologize for the noise you're going to hear in the background. It's me and my nephew here. He's watching TV and he's also humming in the back there, so you're going to hear a little noise in this video. Okay, so I'm so excited. I have ordered two things in the mail, and one came last week and the other came today. So I ordered my $1,000 slips, and here they are. So whenever I reach $1,000 in one of my sinking funds, I'm going to take that money and put it in the bank and just replace it with a $1,000 slip. So here's the money. So I'm so excited for that. And then I also got a package from Oh My Pies. I think I ordered one of those mini A7 cash envelopes. So yeah, I'm so excited to my package. So this is the package. This is how she sent it. It's so cute. So here's a card. It says, "Thank you for your order, Oh My Pies, for your budgeting needs. If you love your order, please leave a review. It helps my shop so much. If you find a problem with your order, please send me a message so that I may make it right." And she gave me a 15% off of my next order. Oh, she wrote a personal note. It says, "Thank you, Bridget. I hope you love your new mini binder." I don't know what that is, love or... So yeah, I got this from Oh My Pies, and I'll be sure to link her Etsy shop down below. This is so cute. I don't want to tear it up. This key's my ratchet and ashy hands. I just got out of the shower. Alright, so we're going to unbox this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. The packaging is everything. This is Oh My Pies for your budgeting needs. I'm so OCD. I hate tearing stuff, but we didn't come for the paper. We came for the mini binder, and here it is. It's just a black binder with like holographic stars on it. So we're gonna open this up. This is gonna be my new cash envelope wallet, but for this video I'll be using my old wallet to stuff. But for the next video, you guys will see my mini binder. And so let's open. So it says, "To Bridget with love." This is so cute. Oh my gosh, is she... Oh my gosh, y'all, she gave me a cash bank slip. I am so excited because normally when I go to the bank and write how much of each denomination I want, it's all sloppy and yeah. And she gave me a breakdown. So she gave me a laminated breakdown card and also a laminated cash bank slip, which this is going to make my life so much better. So now for my envelopes, it says, "To Bridget with love" by, I guess her name is Brenda. Yeah, okay, cool. So, I'm very OCD. So here are my cash envelopes. Okay, so this is an extra. I don't think I ordered, I don't know, maybe this is an extra she threw in, but I know I ordered spending, so we have spending as a cash envelope. I have household. We have groceries, because I'm thinking about going back to using my groceries envelope. We have gas. Normally I don't do gas, but I've been taking the money out of my account, so in the event that I mistakenly take it out, I'll just use this envelope. And then we have car maintenance. Yeah, so, and then I have the pink lettering, and I think coins. She gave me this one for free because it automatically came with 5 envelopes. So this is an extra and this is an extra, which is fine. So yeah, I'm so excited for that. So we're gonna put this to the side and we are going to start stuffing our envelopes. As always, we're gonna start with our cash wallet. I'm not gonna go through my coins because I don't have my coin jar, so they're just gonna stay in there. So yeah, I don't think we're stuffing anything in here. Okay, so for this cash stuffing, we're not gonna stuff anything in there. So we're gonna just do our sinking funds for this video. So for emergency funds, emergency fund is getting $100. So we're just gonna take this $100 bill here, and in emergency now we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 20, 40, 60, 80, 700, 20, 40, 60, 80, 800, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 900, 9, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So we have $964 in emergency. So we're almost to 1,000. For savings, savings is getting a $10 bill. Savings is getting 10, so we're going to add our $10 in. And for savings, we have 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. So we have $190 in our savings envelope. All right, so the next envelope is family vacation, and it's going to get a $20 bill. So we're gonna add our $20 bill. So and excuse my mess, y'all, I have so much stuff going on over here. So in family vacation, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 750, 770, 79, 790, 810, 830, 850, 870, 880, 890, 900, 910, 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 72, 73. So we have $973, which is so awesome because I'll be using this pretty soon. So birthdays is going to get a $10 bill. And so in birthdays, we now have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65. And I ordered my nephew's cake, and I think his cake was 45. So we're going to use some of that money out of there. Christmas is getting $5. So Christmas has 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. So we have $185 in Christmas. Next envelope is going to be medical, and medical is also getting $5. So now medical has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. So we have $51 in our medical fund. Family time is getting $5. So now we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. I told y'all would hear my nephew, and he's playing back there. So miscellaneous is, let's see, Taz is not getting anything. Or we don't stuff it on camera. So in this binder, miscellaneous is getting stuffed, and it's getting the last $5 bill. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And this is for anything that I don't budget for, so I may use it after a while, I don't know. But yeah, guys, anyways, that is the end of it for this video. Like I said, this is my cash envelope stuffing for paycheck number 1 for June. Yeah, it's late, but you know, I still wanted to get it out. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give it a like and a thumbs up, and subscribe for more videos to come. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.